Alright, so either on your main save, or if you've already talked to it on your main save, you go on an alternate save, you go to this cave, the friendly Paltamer cave. You don't talk to the guy, that's why I'm on an alternate save, because I of course already talked to the guy. You go out of the game, you go back in, you will have created an autosave, you check that time, then you talk to the guy, and you get some sort of book. If it's not the book you want, you just close the game. You force close it on Xbox, you Alt F4 on PC, whatever, talk to him again. You get some sort of book that maybe is the one you want. Then I'm just gonna hit respawn. You can teleport back to your base any way you want. Using something like a Dogen or the Homeward Thunderclouds. Teleport to the base. So you are gonna want to keep like a double save just for this, where you don't talk to the applied Paltamer. I'm just gonna call it that instead of friendly Paltamer nowadays. So you go back to your base, you build the global Pal box. And then when that is done building, you just return to title to create a new autosave. You go back into the game, and then you start doing some shenanigans. So I've got this Mimog. I put some pals in here just to see what kind of book we get. So you see this one starts at level 1. It's got 0 stars from condensing. So you drag it into your inventory. You give it the applied book that you just got. And then you drag it straight back into the global box. And once it's in the global box will sort of save immediately. So you just force close the game again. Alt F4 or whatever, go out, go back in. And the global box will now have this transport level 2 pal. You drag that back into your inventory. Gonna have to make some space for it. You drag that Mimong back into your inventory, and you now have this work level 2 pal. You still have your book because you reset from a save. And you go back into the box. And then you just repeat that however many times you want. So you just force close the game again. Go back in, so you don't reset from any sort of backup here. You just force closing it each time you're doing it. So now we get the transport level 5 pal. Then you just leave normally. Last time when you're done, you reset from the first save, and you're back where you started. Without having spoken to the friendly pal tamer, you leave the game normally again. And then you will create that save file right before you spoke into it. But your global box will also have this level 5 transport Mimog with 0 stars. So that's just one way to do it with these applied books. That friendly pal tamer now drops a random book. I've gotten, I think, all the different books from him now. You can get those going. So yeah, thanks for watching.